So decided to try this product out, engine restorer and lubricant. It's supposed to restore compression. It says restores horsepower, restores engine life, reduces oil consumption. So a couple of weeks ago I did oil change and I took some compression numbers with my car, and then I added this product here to see if it actually works, and I drove it, and it's been about 2 weeks now, and I took some compression results. I'm gonna share them with you, and the numbers don't lie. I mean, you can see previous results up here and the results I took today down here. Cylinder number 1 was 150 psi and now it's 157. Number 2, 155, went to 165. Number 3 went from 155 162. Number 2 went from 152 to 157. Number 4 was 150 and now it's 165. Number 6 was 162 and stayed at about 162. So this product works. It restores the compression like it says, so I'll keep using it till I'm ready to replace my engine. So I hope you guys find this useful, and if you have like a older engine that you don't want to junk yet and you want to try this product out and see if it works for you.